it's hard to be the person who never gives up. Because somebody who never gives up will always keep trying, push ahead to make sure that he or she comes up with a new thing to approach a competition or a challenge. A person who never gives up is like a virus that mutates. Like if you watch this movie called Malian, Morgana was too difficult to be defeated. Morgana never gave up till the end. Unlike other people. But also on the other hand, Malian did not give up too. The only reason as to why Morgana was able to die was because Malian's power was unmatchable, was unmatched. The capacity was unbearable to anybody. That is what led to the death of Morgana. In any case, Morgana was going to win the battle. If somebody is defeated and the person will get back and say, no, there can be another way of doing this. There can be another way I can bounce back. Then that person is like invincible.